how can a listener who's interested in either getting started with Bayesian stats or maybe brushing up on their Bayesian stats, what's the best way that they could do that?
Yeah, so there's the PyMC documentation page which has tons of examples. There are many really cool books out there. There's one by Junpeng Lao and Ravin Kumar and Osvaldo Martin that is really cool. But also with Alex Andorra and Ravin Kumar, I have been working on an online course that will come out any week now that is called Intuitive Bayes. And it basically stems from what I alluded to earlier when I was talking about MCMC, where like, well, there's the mathematical description, which is like completely unhelpful. But the concept behind it is actually not that hard. So you can explain it in an intuitive way. And really that has been the motivation for my blog, which I've been writing for many years, is like making these concepts easier to understand for someone who does not have a PhD in math or statistics. And this basically now is the culmination of like years of thinking about how to explain Bayesian modeling in the most intuitive way possible. And we have basically put that into a video course with presentations and notebooks and exercises where we basically go through and like explain it to someone who is not really familiar with it, but maybe knows like a software engineer who knows Python or a data scientist who knows machine learning, but wants to learn Bayesian modeling, or just someone who like wants to have a deeper intuitive understanding. That we basically start from very little, from nothing, and then build it up with a focus not on math but on code and building intuitions. So that's Intuitive Bayes, and I'm really excited about it. Like it has been this vision that I have had for many years of just finding a different approach of teaching this material, which is often taught in a very obscure way, but it really doesn't have to. Like it's much simpler than people make it out to be. I hope that people will find that valuable. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention the excellent podcast Learn Bayesian Statistics by Alex Andorra, where he has like all kinds of incredible guests from the Bayesian world explaining all kinds of aspects of Bayesian modeling. So also check that out.